Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this shaker bookmark for your guys' planner. And I'm starting off by outlining what's going to be like the main part of the bookmark onto this baby blue, pastel blue card. I purchased the white, they're called like nameplate sleeves bookmark thing from Michael's. And right here, I'm just gonna slice it with my cutter to size. So I think it was on my last video or the one before where I said when I'm like really bored, I'll just start either looking up on Instagram, crafty like hashtags or stuff, or YouTube. So this one I got from Instagram, and it's this girl named Puppy Picks and Planners, and I'll put her Instagram on the screen in a bit. So I was looking up the LOL hashtag, and I found she made a bookmark with like the LOL girl. She put a sticker in the front, and I thought it was really cute, and so I saw it and I kind of got an idea of how I could make it. And yeah, here's this tutorial for you guys so you guys can make one as well for yourselves. So after I cut it, I just glued it on to the paper, showing you guys it doesn't really stay well just by like the little sticky back. It kind of like pops off. So I tried using hot glue before this Tombow, and the hot glue was not good because it turned kind of like hard and like bumpy. So yeah, that's not a good idea. And then the Tombow is kind of, or like tape runner is kind of like an okay idea, but it still pops off. But this one that I made, I'm going to be giving it to my mom, and she has the Scotch ATG gun, which I just got this weekend, but I don't have tape for it yet. So yeah, she has one, so hopefully with that it will stay down. But like, if you're craftier than me, you know what type of glue you could use to stick the back good, because it pops off. I'll try to show you later on in the video. Basically, you need a glue that won't be like hard or too thick because it's transparent. Even when you add the sequins, like, you'll still be able to see, since you know they go like up or down. And here I'm just trimming the bookmark just like so it won't be so thick, so wide. So I'm just going to be using this little drink stir I have in my hand to like open up the pouch, because you have to stick something in there like a pencil, or I was using this so that you can go ahead and put your sequins in there. You could do any type of like sequins you want, any like shape, color, mix. This was my first time making a mix, and I like it, but I don't know, girls I've seen use like dessert spoons or like plastic spoons to put it in, and I know it's like for the glitter, the thin glitter doesn't get stuck to the spoon, and sadly I didn't have any, so I just added my fine glitters at the end. So this is my mix of just pretty much sequins. There's a unicorn sequin mix, the one I got from Joann's. If you follow me on Instagram, I got it like on Saturday, I think, and I posted it there. And then there's some light pink recollection hearts, and it's called Chunky Glitter Coral, and I think I've hauled this before in my channel. And then I have the Glitzy Glitter Mix from Recollections. And it's like a white mix, and it's called Sugar. And it's like white little hexagon shapes. And this one actually has like little fine glitter. It was the only one that had it. And then I used the glitter shapes from Target. And then it says hearts, stars, and flowers. Which, yeah, that's what it is. And the hearts are pink. The flowers are purple. And the stars are purple. And I used some white little like clear circle sequins. I don't remember where I got those from. Maybe Joann's or Michael's. And like, you know those variety packs they have? And then there's like little tiny like white stars, like the see-through. I don't think you can see them. But yeah, I forgot I was gonna show you guys on camera like what my mix contained, but I totally forgot. And then I show you what these fine glitters are. They're the clearance ones from Joann's. This one, like holographic one. And then this one, I didn't really like because it's a little more corally than what it looks like. And I just was going for like either like hot pink or pastel pink. So this one I liked better than the one I just put in. And this one is from Recollections. I had it for a long time. I'm not sure if they still sell it. And then, so the holographic one was from Joann's clearance from Tulip, the fabric one. And then the corally pink one also from, wait, did I say Hobby Lobby or Joann's clearance? It's Hobby Lobby clearance. The fabric glitter as well, the corally pink one. So if you have a plastic spoon or those little, baby dessert spoons, I definitely recommend, if you want to make a mix, to add your fine glitter into your mix. And then just get like any tray you want to use. I just used this little pink organizer I have from Michael's Recollections. I wasn't putting anything in it, so I made my little mix in that. But I knew that all my fine glitter was mainly going to be stuck in there or on the spoon, so that's why I just had to pour it onto the shaker until I get like a little plastic spoon. And now there'll be glitter in my room until next year, all around. After I just sweeped and Swiffer sweeped my room today, glitter just gets everywhere, and then you still find it months later. But oh well, at least this turned out super cute. So I personally added like most of the mix that I made, just because I like my okay, I never really made a shaker, but like looking at other shakers, I don't like when they're so empty. I don't know, it feels kind of sad. So yeah, that's why I loaded this one up, and you'll see when I seal it, it's definitely full, like all the way. If you like stretch it out, you'll see when I seal it what I'm talking about. So you just have to shake. I'm holding down like the opening so I can shake and then keep adding and then shake and then keep adding before I seal it. Here I'm testing out my bookmark topper, seeing how it's gonna look, and I like the placement of it. So here I'm showing you a close-up of the fine glitters I used, the holographic, the like corally pink, and they're the Tulip fabric glitter, the Recollections, and it's called Bubblegum. A closer look at my sequin mix. It's so beautiful and shiny and sparkly and pink, my favorite color. So I tried to seal it with the little ruler, but you're gonna see it didn't really work. I don't know why. So I give up and I just do it without the ruler, and it works just fine. And I just did it like 3 or 4 times, just back and forth. You want to be careful when you seal it. So I checked it, and then I'm like, it could use a little bit more sealing. So then I went back. I did it. You just have to be careful because it definitely can melt the plastic. So just do it like 3 or 4 times. You should be good. Test it. See if anything falls out. Nothing was falling out. So some little tips after making this one. The fuse tool, well, that's not really a tip, but the fuse tool I bought at Tuesday Morning, like one of the first times I went to Tuesday Mornings, for $10. The back paper you stick it to, your little bookmark adhesive label thing, you want to make sure it's kind of a thick one. So the one that I used is from Joann's, 110 grams cardstock, and this is it, pretty full. It's up to you like how full or not full you want it, but if you make it pretty full, it will be a little thick, so it's up to you. And then this is the little bookmark topper I used. Once again, I purchased that this weekend at Burlington Coat Factory. They were like little girl hair clips thingies, and I just took off the backing, like the little barrette thing, you know. I took that off, and yeah, you could use it for paper clips or like for this. I helped my friend make one of these like last week, and the topper that she used was a like ephemera die cut. We just laminated it and then we put it on top. And the girl who made this, she put like a die cut of a bow on it, and hers was not laminated. So there's so many different ways you can customize it, make it your own, using a different background paper, using a different topper, using different glitter colors. And that's going to be all for today's video tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make yourself a cute bookmark. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, like where I got certain items that I used, if you want me to post a picture on my Instagram of the glitters that I used to make my mix, let me know in the comments down below. Bye.